Have you ever looked at your monthly bank statement and felt a knot in your stomach? It could be that $20 or $30 charge for ChatGPT every single month, or God forbid the $300 per month for GPT 5.6 Sol AI that comes with all the bells and whistles and removes all the restrictions. It could be the extra fees for image generators, video makers, or coding assistants. Or maybe it's just the frustration of realizing that while everyone is using AI, nobody is actually profiting from it. You know what I'm talking about. We've all been there. Until now, if you wanted the best AI on the planet, you were stuck with two terrible options. Option 1, pay hundreds of dollars a month to massive corporations for subscriptions that bleed you dry. Or Option 2, stick to the free versions that are slow, outdated, and hallucinate more than they help. Well, Option 1 is a waste of your hard-earned cash, and life's too short to settle for the dumbed-down results of Option 2. Lucky for you, starting today, the game has changed. There is a better, faster, and radically cheaper option. It's called Sol AI, and it's not just another chatbot. This is the code red update OpenAI has pushed live just days ago in order to defeat all other AIs like Google Gemini 3, Grok, and Claude. Yes, I'm talking about GPT 5.6 Sol, the mother of all AI chatbots and the best in the world from ChatGPT. GPT 5.6 Sol is here, and only a few US government-approved companies have access to it so far. And we managed to get it too. It trashes Gemini, Grok, Claude, or any other AI model in any real-world testing. It's 70% better than an actual human. It's by far the best premium chatbot right now. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the GPT 5.6 Sol Pro plan. That's usually $300 per month and includes ChatGPT 5 Nano Pro for the world's best and fastest 247 virtual assistant. ChatGPT Images 1.5 Pro for image editing and generation, GPT 5.2 Pro for the best possible software creation. Currently writes better code than 70% of human programmers. Deep research for advanced book essays, article writing. Sora 2 Pro for video generation that's taking YouTube Shorts and TikTok by storm. GPT Audio for creating human-sounding music with lyrics and instruments. Realtime builds an affiliate website from scratch using nothing but your voice. Whisper for turning a spoken prompt, music, into a video, software, or book. Plus another 80+ different ChatGPT models, 30 tab of cloud storage, plus more. This is the code red update that OpenAI has pushed to crush Google Gemini 3, and it can all be available for a one-time price today. The tech inside absolutely mind-blowing. We are talking about the same $300 per month technology that powers OpenAI's and Microsoft's most advanced systems. It hooks straight into Launchpad, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and 17 more platforms. Even comes with YouTube Premium, no ads, and over 30 TB of storage. It's normally $300 per month if you buy it straight from OpenAI. Today, you can have it for a one-time low fee. It uses GPT 5.6 SOL for 247 assistants. ChatGPT Images 1.5 for the world's best image editing and generating deep research to write 100% of software code automatically, and Sora 2 Pro to generate cinematic videos that are taking TikTok by storm. This is real power. No restrictions, no monthly fees. And the best part, a commercial license is included so you can sell everything you create. It all works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into the cloud-based software dashboard. Step 2, insert your text prompt and feed it to our all-in-one AI generator. Whether you need code, music, video, or a best-selling book, just ask. Step 3, watch it turn your prompt into reality in seconds. You can go crazy with as many prompts as you want. There are 0 limits. Use GPT Images 1.5 for image editing and generation and sell them on stock sites. Use ChatGPT 5 Nano Pro for advanced book, essays, and article writing in minutes. Use Sora 2 Pro for turning a prompt into a video. Use Realtime to build entire affiliate websites that generate commissions on autopilot. You write directly to this AI made by OpenAI. You simply tell it what you want and it simply does it. No coding skills, no video editing or graphics experience, no outsourcing required. It takes seconds, it loads from your phone, and it feels like you're living in the future. What if you could cash in on the trillion-dollar AI frenzy without risking a single dime on subscription fees? With GPT 5.6 SOL, now you can. It allows you to literally create value out of thin air, or more exactly, a short text prompt. It's so good that thousands of newbies just like you have already earned their first commissions. But here's the best part. You can now stop paying between $30 per month and $300 per month for a paid AI. Stop paying designers or coders for work they never get right. Stop using Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or confusing dev tools. Sol AI renders them obsolete. You could become the next big app developer. Today you build a plugin, tomorrow a mobile game, starting from just one idea and zero technical skills. Dominate the search rankings with SEO content. Promote your business with videos made by Sora 2. The possibilities are truly limitless. Whether it's for yourself or your business, just type what you want and Sol AI creates the perfect asset. No matter how complex your prompt is. Look, if this tech is putting coders and writers out of jobs, then it's worth a try. You'll be amazed. I know I was. You won't believe how good a deal you're getting with this. If you went straight to OpenAI, this GPT 5.6 SOL plan costs $300 a month. That's $3,600 a year. But today you aren't paying that. But it's available at a massive discount for opening day only. You pay once and you use it forever. But you must hurry. This page is closing down soon. So act now and secure your spot for Sol AI. Stop paying monthly fees. Start dominating with OpenAI's newest AI, GPT 5.6 SOL. Click the button below right now.